What's up, Redline Junkies? Welcome back to the channel. I finally got my 20,000 mile recommended maintenance done on the X3M competition, and you won't believe what they found. I got my 20,000 mile maintenance done. As you know, I mentioned before, this vehicle gets an oil change every 10,000 miles. I just recently hit 20,000 miles. I'm just a little bit over 20,000 miles right now. I got my maintenance done October 1st. And shout out to Valley Auto World for getting me straight on my maintenance and things like that. We'll get into later on some issues that I've had with servicing this vehicle and some things that I've learned to help you guys out. But nonetheless, October 1st, I got my 20,000 mile maintenance done on this vehicle. It was an oil change that needs to be done. That includes like the oil. I don't know how much oil it takes. S58 takes some, new oil, like 0W something that BMW uses. It's a full synthetic. And then the filter, obviously, to go with that. And then they had some cabin filters that they needed to replace as well. I think that's all my service advisor, and I'll get the paperwork. They couldn't do it on, that was a Saturday. They couldn't do it on that day. They had to do it on a Monday. And so I'm gonna get them to email me the paperwork because the dealership is like 45 minutes away from me. But that's all he said they needed to do for that service. So nothing out of the ordinary. I already said that BMW covers this car for 3 years, 36,000 miles. And it's under the factory warranties to 50,000 miles, 4 years of 50,000 miles. So to my unexpectedly, they actually needed to replace a part on this vehicle. Now, the part that they need to replace on this vehicle is actually a very important part, and we're going to get to the video of the service technician. They do a full inspection. I forgot what it's called. When they bring your vehicle in, they always record a video. Every dealership that I've been through, BMW, they record a video of it, and then they send you the video to walk around. They tell you the tires and stuff like that. I'm gonna skip past all the other stuff. I'm just gonna show exactly what they said needed to be replaced and should not be happening after 20,000 miles on this vehicle. And without getting too much into it, check out the video.
Good morning, this is James, Certified Master Technician at Valley BMW. I have your X3M in the shop, and I'm performing an oil change. But what I wanted to bring to your attention is when I was looking at this axle, I noticed it's starting to sling grease, and as you can see, it's very wet. We do not have this in stock. We have one in the country. So I'm going to let Chad know what's going on and try to see if we can get this taken care of, because it's not supposed to look like that, especially when it has 20,000 miles on the vehicle.
Now, as you guys saw in that video, the drive axle. I don't know how much you guys know about a drive axle, but the drive axle bears the load, the weight of the vehicle. It also facilitates steering of the vehicle, control of the wheels, and everything. And if the drive axle is not replaced, the vehicle will seize up and I will lose control of the vehicle. The wheels won't turn or anything. And so this is a pretty major repair. It is leaking oil. It looked rusted in the video. And even the technician said that should not have to be replaced after 20,000 miles on this vehicle. But let me know in the comment section below if you guys have an X3, X3M or whatever and you had the same issue, or if there's anything else I should be worried about. Like I said, right now the vehicle's covered under warranty. I'm not really worried about it. But replacing the drive axle, dropping it, that's quite a major repair for this vehicle, to only have 20,000 miles. Now, I will say there is some differences between the X models. The SUVs are built in South Carolina in America, at least assembled here. And then all the cars are assembled in Mexico, I believe, and mostly in Germany. And there are some differences between build quality. Now, I did get this during the COVID kind of time, so that might have been an issue as well. A lot of stuff was going on with car manufacturing and factories and stuff like that, but neither here nor there, it is covered under warranty. But the main thing is I don't know when I'm gonna get that fixed. He said that it is entry, just starting to wear and stuff like that, but it shouldn't be wearing. There's one in the country right now, literally one. They placed the order. They're hoping to have got that one. I haven't got anything. Like I said, that was Saturday. It is Wednesday. I haven't got a call. They said it's going to be, 3, 4, 5 hours. I am going to have to get a loaner. I'm going to keep you updated on that. But they're going to have to drop the engine and everything to replace the drive axle. Now, I told you I'll keep you guys updated in my when I told you 1 year, 20,000 miles, I keep you updated in all the maintenance and things that I have to do to this vehicle. But I just want to let you guys know that was something that has to be replaced on this vehicle after 20,000 miles. I haven't heard that, haven't heard any, if that's like a major, like an issue between the X3s and the X3Ms or whatnot. I do have friends who have X3Ms, more than 2 of them. They didn't have that issue, you know, but what gets me is that, and like I said, I have a video coming later of the issues I've had with servicing this vehicle and all around this and going to multiple different dealerships. My vehicle last week was just in a dealership 2 days, and they did not say anything about my drive axle. Now that's them, you know. I'm not really gonna mention the dealership in this video, but yeah, shout out to Valley Auto World, always keeping me, you know, keeping me up and running, keeping me fresh. As much as I barely drive this vehicle, you know. I dropped that vehicle that 1 year, 20,000 miles, I think like months ago, and I just got it 20,000 miles. I had 18, a little over 18 then, and so, you know, I don't really drive this vehicle that much, but thank you, Valley Auto World, for getting me straight. But I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll catch you guys next time.